Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine with yeast. First, select your fruit juice. Grape, apple, or berry work wonderfully. You'll also need sugar, wine yeast, and a clean fermentation vessel. Ensure all your equipment is completely sanitized to avoid any unwanted bacteria. Mix your juice, sugar, and yeast in the vessel, leaving about 20% headspace for fermentation activity. Once your ingredients are combined, securely attach an airlock to the top of your fermentation vessel. This allows carbon dioxide to escape without letting oxygen in, which is crucial. Keep your wine in a stable environment, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll notice bubbling as the yeast converts sugar to alcohol, a process that usually takes 1 to 3 weeks. After primary fermentation subsides, it's time to rack your wine. Carefully siphon the wine from the primary vessel into a clean carboy, leaving behind any sediment. This process, called racking, helps clarify the wine. For best results, let your wine age for at least 2 to 3 months, or even longer, to allow its flavors to fully mature and mellow. Finally, it's time to bottle your homemade wine. Make sure your bottles are perfectly clean and sanitized. Carefully siphon the wine into each bottle, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Seal them tightly with corks or screw caps. Store your bottles upright for a few days if using corks, then on their side. Enjoy your delicious creation. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.